installing an old pond in a new location. It's a series of triangles, that's one of them, and these other two fit on top of each other. And I used to have a pond here years ago, but I removed it. It was a very shallow pond. And we're going to make sure it's level. So, is it level?
No.
No. All right.
Just has to be down a bit. That end needs to be down a bit.
Or up a bit. Probably down because there's bark there. Right, let's try that.
Now you might need a trowel.
Didn't make any difference at all. Okay, let's see. What's that like? Still out?
Yeah, just
a fraction. I think we might just... Oh, look at that. Oh, you're moving it up.
Yeah, it's only got to come up that much.
Yeah, all right. Right, let's see. Oh, I reckon that's close enough.
Yeah, that'll be all right.
Yeah. Thank you, sweetie. Okay. Now for the rest of it.
Where do you want the slide?
Turn it around.
There.
Turn it around.
Just tell me where you want to leave the no front.
All right.
Okay. I've got to get it there.
And it's working. It's a bit of a paint. It's a bit dirty looking, but it's pretty cool. Thanks, Peter. And we get to enjoy the fountain with some wine and crackers.